How to get Instagram on MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can or where you can download Instagram using your MacBook Air or your MacBook Pro. So all I have to do at first, everybody knows that Instagram is not available via the App Store or Apple Store if you're using your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So all you have to do is to use any web browser that you can use on your MacBook, say for example Safari. Then all I have to do next is just go into the Instagram.com's official website and then just simply highlight this text right here. Click and drag it into the desktop of your MacBook, and this is going to be the output. Now, the next thing to do is just to go back into the web browser and type in macosicons.com. Use this box right here and look for Instagram. Now to download this, just simply choose on your preferred icon for Instagram. So first, say for example this one, click that and then choose on download. And then once you've successfully downloaded it, go back into your home screen. And then from the link that we just clicked and dragged earlier, what you want to do next is to right click, go into properties. For MacBook, that's going to be get info, and then just simply choose on change icon. Now look for the specific file that you downloaded earlier, click on browse and go into downloads, and you should be able to change it into an Instagram icon. So that's the most convenient way for you to get Instagram on MacBook Air or MacBook Pro.